What is up, YouTube? This is Anonymous Mentor. Today we're going to be going over another C++ program. And what we're going to be going over today is the while function, which is one of the easiest ones in my opinion in C++. So let's go ahead and get started by opening up a terminal and changing directories into wherever we want to create our project. For me, it's going to be desktop CPP1, and then I'm going to remove all my files real quick from this directory, and then I'm going to make a file called main.cpp for my C++ program, and I use IOStream as my print command basically. So you guys might be using what is it called? It's ios h, I don't know. It's like standard in out .h, I believe, or stdio.h. Yeah, standard in out header. Some of you guys might be using that. I want to learn how to use that eventually. Int main, and then what we want to happen in main. First, we need to make a integer. So int I, and we're going to set it equal to 0, and then we're going to say while, we're going to make parentheses and then brackets, that way we don't get confused. Your condition goes into parentheses, and then your code to be executed while the condition is true goes into the brackets. So the condition is going to be while I is less than or equal to 10, and then we're going to have it C out, and it's going to say whatever I is, and then it's going to end the line, and then I is going to increment itself by 1, and then we're also going to tag in another while loop inside this while loop. And before we do that, let's make int j and set it equal to 0, and then we'll say while j is less than 10, looking at this, less than or equal to 10, and I just set j greater than, I need that less than. Make our brackets, and now we're going to C out j, and then we'll end the line, and then we'll say j plus plus, and then that needs a colon after it as well, and down here we'll return 0, and everything looks like it should be good from my point of view. We'll see what the compiler says about that. It usually spits out an error, so we'll see. Yeah, we get an error, unexpected primary expression. So let's just, for simplicity, C out. C out. I haven't really gotten used to that function. However you use it, there's a way to do it without having to type C out every time, and that works. So as you can see, it starts printing out our numbers from the while loop, and let's say sudo nano main.cpp. We'll say still gotta sudo it. Yeah, that messed it up, so I thought I could do that, but apparently there's a way where you can make it only print out if it's divisible, if it goes into 100. Oh, well, I guess because 0 doesn't ever divide into 100 with the remainders, so we'll say, while this is 10 and this is 1,000, let's see if that'll do it. I'm not too familiar with that, so yeah, there we go. So everything, as you can see, it printed out a lot. So that's how you use the while loop in C++. And if you guys want to subscribe to my channel, I'll show you guys how to make backgrounds and stuff like this that are pretty sweet. But I need subscribers first before I start dropping out really good content. I want to make sure I drop it out for people willing to follow me. So yeah, just follow my channel, like, and if you have a comment, feel free to post it, and I will be glad to help. More than happy. So, Anonymous Mentor out.